Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where the search bar lives and why it appears. If it's a widget on Android, a taskbar element in Windows, or a browser toolbar, the removal steps differ. Open the appropriate settings immediately. Long press the widget or open Home Settings on Android, right-click the Windows taskbar and pick Taskbar Settings, or open your browser menu to Extensions or Toolbar options. Once done, you'll know whether to disable, uninstall, or hide the element and move on to the next step. Now perform the removal. On Android, drag the widget off the home screen and, if needed, go to Apps to disable the search app or clear it as the default home action. On Windows, toggle Search off in Taskbar Settings or uninstall the provider from Settings apps if available. In browsers, open Extensions, disable or remove the search extension, then change the default search engine in Settings to a neutral one. Make sure to reboot or restart the app so changes fully apply. Finish by restarting your device or relaunching the browser, then inspect different user profiles to confirm the search bar is gone. If it returns, scan for unwanted apps or extensions. Malware frequently reattaches toolbars, and run a reset of the launcher, taskbar, or browser settings as a last resort. Make sure to back up bookmarks or home layouts first. If problems persist, create a new user profile to isolate the issue and uninstall suspicious software from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.